Hi, I am Apusanat. So in this video, I will go to the activity guide that I believe that you should got this material and this document. So in this document, you will see there is allow 6 links that you got in here. So you should get to one by one. So I will go to here. First of all, you should got the pre-study questionnaire, which is the form that link to the quadrants, which have some consent form. So all you need to do is just follow there, and then it's just a simple question about your metadata. So you should be able to do it within a few minutes. And the next is the tutorial. So in here, you will see that you got it linked to the GitHub project. So you will see that if you have already logged into the GitHub account, when you click the code, you should see that there is local and code space. If you haven't used the code space at all, you should see the big button to create a code space. But since I already did, so I can just open it to show you how it works. But the problem is, in my case, it doesn't work well for my Chrome. So I may need to use open it with Firefox. So in here, it's going to take a few minutes in case of you open it for the first time. But since I already opened it before, so it's going to be much quicker for me. And in here, you will see there is 2 files. So you should, when you open the Jupyter file, you should open it as a Jupyter notebook environment. It doesn't work for me. I guess we need to wait a little bit. Yeah, it's here. So here, the first file is the tutorial. So you should go to this. Uh, and there is some code block that you don't need to run it since it's already run and the output is showing here. So, but if you want to run it, you can click on the kernel, select on Python environment, and click into this recommend runtime, and then now you can run it. So if you want to run all of them, just click all. And after you go to the tutorial, you will see that there is a quiz. So you can go there and do the quiz. There is allowed 10 questions. So you should done it in about 5 minutes or so. And the next task that is going to be the design and programming task. So you can go back to this project in the code space again. You will see there is another file that called OS Fast Programming Task Template. And in here, there is some instruction talking about the timing instruction, but you don't need to worry about it. So because I already have the timer form for you, which that basically if you open it for the first time, you will see that it need to you can write down email, and there is a timer here. So what you need to do, you just pick which diagram you need to do it first. So I believe that when you need to do it, I will tell you like which diagram to choose. But if I didn't tell you, so you can just pick any one of them, and then you should pick the task that you need to do. So I believe that if I already send the task for you, it's going to be the task one. But unless I say otherwise, so please start with the task one. So, and if you select the first diagram as an OS, in here it will show OS, so you should not miss this. So in here you should read the instruction first before coming to this page. So, so at this point, you come to here, read the instruction, and when you're ready to do some kind of design and implementation, then you just go to the next page. That when you go to the next page, it start capture the time. So, and the instruction is here. So for the first task, it basically, if you want to design the thermostat system, um, and then you can imagine that in the smart house or something. So you can check it here. And to do the design, you can get to the diagram. You can see there is a draw.io file. So in this code space, I already make a configuration in the way that you can open the draw.io file and then see the diagram editor. But if you don't know how to use draw.io and then you maybe familiar with some author diagramming tool, you can use them as well. Just export it as a PNG file, image file, or something that we can look to easily. And here you can see that there is a diagram. So you should start by updating the diagram. So we have some template. You can use it or you can just start it from scratch. So after you're done, you just click to the next and then upload in the diagram. And then now you can start doing some implementation. So in here, you can see that in, we give you some kind of like template. So if you need to start fast first, you can just update your code in here. And when you're done, you click the next page, and then now the timer stop. You click to the upload. Sorry, you can click to the download, and then download the file, and then upload it here. So, and the next task, I want you to do another paradigm. In my case, it's going to be OaaS. So you just do the same thing, like just go to diagram and then update the diagram for the task that I give to you, which should be the first task, and then just uploading the diagram, and then go to the code, and then you can update the code and then upload it here. So for the code, um, you don't need to run it. You don't need to make it the code be able to run. You can just write a pseudo code. But we know that as a programmer, you want to be perfect. Like you wanted something to be able to run. That is fine. But don't make it restrict you. If it not be able to run, you can just write some pseudo code and something that tell us like how things should work. And the next task is the maintainability task. And I think it is a bit too much. We decide to cut it out. Okay, that is all for the programming task. So the lastly, we should get to the post task questionnaire, which is basically it is a survey form. So you can just complete it within a few minutes. So I can get to what it's gonna look like if you open it for the first time. So you can see that it is some email. So you can write something. And then this time you can leave it blank because you already have a sample form. And since we already cut the maintainability, in the worst case that you cannot complete everything, you can just click what you didn't complete, uh, and then you just skip this and then just follow the question, and it should be straightforward.